Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. I'm Yasir Rahman Hidayat. I am currently 5th semester BBA student majoring in Innovation and Entrepreneurship. I am passionate about developing business solution. My professional skill, my preparing myself of successful corporate career. I have built a strong academic foundation with key coursework in business communication, organization behavior, principle of management, and marketing. My study of equipped me with the develop creative particular situation. My professional skill set including planning, market research, and business model development, and I am is also confidence and communication skills, shows public speaking, negotiation, presentation delivery, and outside Microsoft Office, Google workshop, and basic data tools like Excel and I am told Bengali and English will help me adapt to environment and work with manufacturer team. Project some of the naval academic project including research study on employee motivation in the technicommunication industry with there my team in analysis industry leading studies. Also develop career recommenders school employment program and create marketing plans solution and promotion strategy. I was selected particular the job result session and one of the more important interview HR. I referred my university in mental presentation competition. I am active member of a business club where I including event or organization and networking activity. I believe my academic background, skill set, and provide make me ready to take real world challenge. My goal in join forwarding thinking when I can apply my skill run and contributing manufacture. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.